Aceh Regional Secretary Taqwallah attends routine zikir and prayers for the Aceh government's pandemic safety with 1,000 students at the Aceh Hajj Dormitory Yard Friday, October 22, 2021. The Aceh government employs routine zikir and prayer activities today, followed by the regional secretary at the Hajj Dormitory shortly before the 2021 National Century Day commemoration ceremony at the provincial level began. As usual, the event was also attended virtually by Aceh Government ASN in all SKPAs, all high schools teachers in Aceh, and all BUMA employees such as Bank Aceh and PT PEMA. There were at least 815 virtual participants who took part in routine zikir and prayer this morning. On the same occasion, school principals who are called Sekda Aceh reported on the progress of vaccination achievement in their school. The regional secretary hopes that stakeholders in school can work hard so that the vaccination will be complete soon.